In 2026, this is happening more than ever. Why? Because CPA platforms and ad networks have become incredibly smart. They aren't just looking at your IP address anymore. They are tracking your entire digital fingerprint. They can detect your screen resolution, your installed fonts, your graphics card, your browser plugins, and a lot of hidden technical signals in the background. If you are running multiple accounts, their systems can flag you for suspicious activity or potential self-click fraud. They link all of your accounts together and they shut everything down. So how do serious CPA marketers protect themselves and scale safely in 2026? They don't rely on normal browsers like Chrome and Incognito Mode or weak anti-detect browsers. They use a very strong and advanced anti-detect browser. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your CPA accounts using an advanced anti-detect browser called Cloak, combined with high-quality residential proxies from Node Maven. I'll walk you through exactly what the problem is, how this setup keeps your accounts safe, and then give you a step-by-step demonstration of how to use Cloak and integrate it with Node Maven proxies. The core problem is simple. The CPA platforms don't just see that you clicked a link. They see that the same device with the same fingerprint is logging into different accounts or generating traffic from the same environment. Your browser leaks information like your Canvas fingerprint, your WebGL fingerprint, your audio context, and even your battery status. When this fingerprint repeats, the network knows it's the same person. That's where Cloak comes in. Cloak is designed to mask the click source and prevent account bans. It does this by creating a completely new, unique digital identity for every single profile you create. Instead of leaving the same footprints everywhere you go, Cloak changes your digital fingerprint automatically. New Canvas values, new WebGL, different fonts, and different user agents. To the CPA network, each profile looks like a completely separate device and a separate person. But the browser is only half of the solution. You also need to hide your connection. If you use Cloak but use a cheap spammy IP address, you will still get banned. That is why you need to combine Cloak with Node Maven. Node Maven gives you residential IP addresses. These are IPs that belong to real home internet connections, not big hosting companies. So when a CPA network looks at your connection, they see normal, everyday user behavior from a real household connection. When you combine the unique fingerprints from Cloak with clean residential IPs from Node Maven, you create a powerful, safe environment for your CPA work. Each profile looks like a real person on a real device in a real location. Now, let me show you exactly how to set this up step by step. First, click the link in the description below, sign up for a free account, then install and open Cloak. Once you log in, you'll see your main dashboard with an option to create new browser profiles. Before we create a profile, let me show you advanced features found in Cloak. Click on Automation, then RPA Task. You will find tons of RPA tasks where you can apply depending on which platform you want to use, like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and others. In the next video, I'll show you how to use these automation on managing multiple social media accounts. Now let's back on profile creation. Click on New Profile. Here, give a profile name, then choose the account type depending where you want to use it. If it is on Amazon, choose Amazon, but if it is general, just click Others. Then paste the platform URL where your CPA offer comes from. So if it is on Amazon, paste your Amazon CPA offer link here. The Cloak will mask your fingerprints depending on the specific platform, since each platform has its own way of tracking clicks. Once done, then scroll down on the proxy and leave it. We will set it later. Then click on the Advanced option and choose the operating system, like Windows, Mac, OS, or Linux. You can also adjust other settings, but for most people, the default fingerprint generation is enough. For this example, we'll choose a standard Windows environment. As soon as we do that, Cloak automatically generates a unique fingerprint for this profile. You don't have to tweak a lot of technical stuff. The tool handles most of it for you, so click on Confirm and your profile will be added. Next, we need to connect a Node Maven proxy to this profile. First, click the link in the description below to sign up for a Node Maven free account. You can simply sign up using a Google account. Node Maven provides a strong residential, static, and rotating proxy. I have used several proxies, but none of them worked as I wanted, like the proxy from Node Maven Proxy. And the good thing is that they provide a free trial only for €3.99 per GB. And if you use my promo code TIPS100, you will get 50% off. Now, to get your proxy, go to Proxy Setup, then on Connection type, choose Residential on IP version, choose Mixed. On Proxy Generator, choose Output Format, On location, choose any country you prefer. According to your uses, on number, choose 20. Then scroll down on session, choose sticky, and on proxy access, choose HTTP. And from there, you are done. Go and copy your proxy ready to use. Now go back to DI Cloak, and inside the new profile settings, look for the proxy section. Select Batch Create. Paste in the Node Maven proxy, and then click on Confirm. Now, back to the profile. Then click on the Proxy Edit section. Then choose any Node Maven proxy added, and launch the browser for this profile from inside DI Cloak. This opens a separate, isolated browser window with its own fingerprint and its own IP address. Before you use it with your CPA accounts, it's a good idea to test your connection. Go to a website that shows IP and browser details, such as an IP checker or fingerprint checker. You should see the country and city from Node Maven, and you should see that the browser fingerprint looks like a normal, unique user. No obvious proxy detection, no weird alerts. Once you confirm that, you can start using this profile to log into one CPA account. Use it to check your stats, generate links, and test your funnels. This profile is now dedicated to that account. If you need to manage a second CPA account, don't use the same profile. Instead, go back to the DI Cloak dashboard, create a new profile, connect it to a different Node Maven IP, and repeat the process. Each account gets its own profile and its own residential IP. To the CPA networks, these look like different users, different devices, different households. That is the core of a safe account structure in 2026. This setup helps you avoid accidental self-click issues. It keeps your testing separate. It prevents one account from contaminating another because they don't share the same fingerprint or IP. If you want to try this exact setup, you'll find my link to DI Cloak in the description, as well as the link to Node Maven. Use those links to get started, set up your first profile, and protect your accounts before you scale. And the price of DI Cloak is very cheap, around $8, and if you use promo code SIDEJEFFA, you will get 10% off. Don't wait until you get banned and lose your progress. Build your account safety system first, then grow on top of that. If you found this helpful and you want me to make a full walkthrough on structuring multiple CPA accounts, tracking and scaling safely, let me know in the comments. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.